Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your steak tender. First, selecting the right cut is crucial. Opt for naturally tender options like filet mignon or ribeye. Next, consider mechanical tenderizing using a mallet to break down muscle fibers. Finally, marinating with acidic ingredients or enzymes can significantly improve texture. These initial steps lay the groundwork for a truly tender steak experience. Salting your steak well in advance, often called dry brining, is a simple yet powerful technique. The salt draws out moisture, then reabsorbs it, leading to a more flavorful and tender result. Another excellent method is reverse searing, where you cook the steak slowly at a low temperature before a final high-heat sear. This ensures a perfectly even cook and incredible tenderness throughout. Achieving the right internal temperature is key. Aim for 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare. Equally important is resting your steak for 5 to 10 minutes after cooking. This allows the juices to redistribute, preventing them from escaping when you slice. Finally, always slice against the grain to ensure each bite is as tender as possible. For the ultimate in tenderness, consider sous vide cooking. This method precisely controls temperature, ensuring your steak is perfectly cooked edge to edge every time. Also, always pat your steak completely dry before searing. This creates a beautiful, flavorful crust. Remember, these techniques, combined with quality meat, will consistently deliver an incredibly tender steak. And hey, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.